Oh no, everyone, look. It's Mickey. When I got him from school today, he'd thrown up, and he's just been laying on the sofa ever since I got home, and he's really sick. You're my little puppy. Oh, what are you doing? You're my little puppy, eh? Give me a little puppy, eh? A little puppy? There's... What are you trying to do? Come on, Rod, you're trying to roll out. What are you trying to do? Oh, look at sick Mickey. Oh, you okay, Mickey puppy? It's okay, boy. You'll be okay. I've been working on one of my favourite songs. Hans Hyatt released a song called The Inks. Called I Don't Want to Set the World on Fire, and it was remade. It was used for Bioshock. The original was in Bioshock, but it was remade for Fallout 3 by the Ink Spots, and I love that song so much. I've been downloading it on my phone, on the PS3, on the computer, on iPod. I just love that song. I actually memorised it. Alright, here we go. I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to set the flame in your heart. In my heart there is but one desire, and the one desire is you. And with your admission that you feel the same, I know. And I actually haven't learnt that any longer than that. Who's a good little puppy? I love you. Look at Mickey. Sick puppy dog. I hope you get better, Mickey boy. Love you.